Okay, moment of truth. Can you hear me? Is the real question. Hopefully you can. Shh. I hope you can hear me today. Yeah, you can hear me. The mic is not broken today. How's it going, guys? We're a red chat today. That looks better than green. Yup. You misspelled texturing. I just fixed it. I had an E in there. Let's pin the Discord in the chat. But the joined button is green now in Discord. Pin that. Where do I pin it? Pin message. There you go. Okay, how's everybody doing? I'm doing good. Ready to do some color texturing on the ship map today, and probably some more prop placement because some rooms are kind of a little bit bare. Yeah. Let's actually start by just looking at the what I worked on last weekend, which is the melee weapons. I think that'll be cool to show off. You guys want to see that? Let's switch into Unity here and give it its go here. Very cool. How's the music volume? Is it too loud or too quiet? Hey, Rugs on time. You are perfect timing. About to look at the melee weapons I just added. It's having fun loading though. There we go. Let's go. Music is perfect. Cool. Full screen this bad boy. What the lobby's looking like, I don't think it's changed since last time really. I added some more vines, I guess. Oh wait, I think I added this little dirt and grass here. Maybe. I think. I can't remember. Let's actually /map ship. Let's go look at what I did to the ship the other day too. I started texturing it. Vines, yeah. I'm gonna add a lot more vines and other stuff. Cracks, I think. Okay, ship map. I also... Never mind, I thought why is this not... This stairs aren't working. I fixed the slopes, but apparently not. What about these stairs? Nope. Okay. These ones work. Or not. Okay, never mind. I didn't fix the stairs apparently. I swear I fixed them, but something's wrong. Anyways, I started texturing the interior here. As you can see, it's very white right now. Pipe's gray. So bright now, yeah, you'll be able to see each other a lot better now. Yeah, and here's the storage room. It's looking, the storage room is kind of, I think, pretty much textured except for I need to, maybe we can do that today. We need to actually model lights. But it's looking pretty good, I think. All the boxes stacked up here. Okay, it's really bugging me that I swear I fixed the stairs and I don't know why they're not working. Anyways, yeah, we gotta do these other rooms today. But also, I guess I wanted to show / give the knife. You hear the little swing sound effects? Not sure if you can hear it over the music. Sounds the same as the stairs. What does? What? What's the issue with the stairs? They're supposed to be really smooth to go up. Oh, these ones are. Maybe not. Okay, well, they're supposed to be really easy to go up and down now. They're better than they were before, but for some reason... I think I forgot to re-add a tag or something to the collider. I can't remember. We can maybe look at that in a minute. But they have their, like, nice smooth colliders now, so you can go up and down them nicely. Is that your voice as a sound effect or the knife? It's the knife. And then also there's like a stabby decal. Huh, it doesn't work in the notches. Interesting. Stabby stabby. Doesn't always work on every surface though, apparently. Stabby. And it's, I can't really show it, but it's like 2 shots in the front and you can 1-shot backstab. So like, obviously it's pretty OP, but you have to actually get to them to be able to 1-shot them, right? So you bring a knife to a gun battle, it should be good, right? Add helicopter on helipad? Maybe. That'd be cool. Would you add zombies? I don't know. Maybe a zombie game mode? I don't know. Zombies are kind of overrated nowadays. Let's first maybe quickly look into what's up these stairs, just because it's bugging me. I'm just gonna bring the server over here. This is what the server looks like if people haven't seen it. No textures because it's the server, right? Let's look at the ship map. Colliders. Where's the stair for here? Oh, there's one. What's up with it? Oh, yeah. Wait, layer. Yeah, here's the problem right here. I need to have the layer ignore. Oh god, it's freaking out. What is this? Unity, hello? Ignore raycast. There we go. Yes, and its children. Zombies overrated. I don't know, they're in a lot of games nowadays. Yeah, exactly what I've done, Rug. But they were just on the wrong layer for some reason. I think I accidentally didn't save or something. What game is this for? My multiplayer game that is kind of nameless, but it's a low poly action shooter game. It's gonna have multiple game modes and team sizes. Could it be because the full friction on the ground? So I changed the direction vector when you're on the stairs, like what play does. So when you go on the stairs, the direction is actually then perpendicular to the stairs. Here, it should be fixed now. Let's go test it. Yeah, there we go. Look how much smoother that is. See how smooth I go up the stairs? See how like smooth I go down the stairs and how I go up the stairs? Much better, eh? So you won't be getting stuck on those stairs anymore, which I know people are really annoyed about. It still didn't save. Yeah, I know I was in play mode. But I mean before, when I actually did it. I think the layer gets changed when I sync the map from the client to the server. That's the issue. I need to make sure the tags are the same. Or the layers are the same. Yeah, see, look how smooth I go up the stairs now. Zoop. Much better. And I go up these stairs. Yeah, really smooth, really smooth. I know people are like getting stuck on these stairs constantly. Now you should be able to just hold the run button. You don't have to jump or anything. You can just slide right up them. It's really nice. Wait, if you sprint up the stairs, does it launch you off or do you stick to the ground? I think you still get a little bit of a launch. It really depends though. That one I stuck to the ground. Yeah, you get a little bit of a launch, but I mean that's just because the velocity is changed to an angle, right? So but as soon as you get off the stairs, it should get changed back to being, you know, horizontal. Is the server code and client in one project? No, they're in two different projects. It is possible to put it in the same project, but I'm using a dedicated server, so it's in a separate project. Hope you upload this game to the Play Store. Well, it's not for mobile, so if you mean like the Google Play Store, then no, it won't be on the Play Store. It'll be on, it'll be for desktop first, so, you know, it might be on Steam. Who knows? That is if I ever get there. Right now I'm just having fun making a multiplayer game. Here's the thing, your multiplayer maps are very cool. It'd be really good zombie maps, and yeah, maybe. Thanks though. The launchiness of it? Honestly, I kind of like the launchiness of it. What do you mean by that, PC nerd? Tornado's got a fix on Discord. Cool. Where can I try? You gotta join my Discord, grab the playtester role, and the next playtest you'll be able to join, which we'll probably do sometime this month. Really depends. Maybe in like 2 or 3 weeks. I also kind of want to make another update video because I've done quite a bit, so I was gonna start planning that this weekend actually. So how much will this game cost? No clue. Still really early development, so it's really still up in the air. It might be free to play and cosmetics to pay for servers, but it is a multiplayer game and servers cost money, so it will have to cost something. Okay. I moved the wrong Unity. Is it the server? Is it the client? Okay. But today we are going to be texturing the map here, so I think we can get into that in a minute. What will it have support for Mac OS? Yeah, it should be able to be built for Mac OS. I haven't tried it because I don't have a Mac, but I'll need some playtesters for Mac eventually. Is it kind of like Counter-Strike? No. It'll have a variety of game modes. There might be like a bomb defuse game mode, but who knows? Barricade and Breach might be kind of like Counter-Strike, although it'll be closer to like Rainbow Six Siege because that's what I kind of based it off of. I like how when going up the stairs it sends you up a bit when you sprint. I think that's what Tornado was saying that he was trying to fix. Gun skins? Yeah, so it is set up in a way that there can be gun skins. They'll still be low poly, so it'll really just be colors. Maybe it'll be actual textures someday, but I made it in a way that you can just swap textures to change the gun skins or color. So yeah, I definitely kept it open for cosmetics in the future, which is good. Those might be paid or some be free. Skin customize, yeah, exactly. I made it possible to customize the skins in the future. So this is what the storage room's looking like. So we got to do this to the other rooms. I deserve more subs. I've actually been getting a lot of subs lately, so thank you all if you're a new subscriber. Yeah, and YouTube decides how many subs I get. Battle Royale, maybe. That's another game mode that's pretty popular right now, and I'd probably wait to add it because I'm not sure if it'll really be good for my game, but we'll see. You need a bigger map for that really to make it work good, and maps take a long time to make. I've been working on this map for like 2 or 3 months now, right? Okay, grab all these. So this is the texture method I use here. I see I've got a texture palette here on the left, and I basically have UV unwrap the whole map, and then I can just drag around the surfaces on this texture over here on the left. And these black and white ones are basically colors that I haven't filled in yet. So if I need new colors, I can just add them here. But I basically this is my workflow. I select the walls I want to change, or in this case the roof and the floor, and move them around over here. I'm gonna do this to all the hallways and stuff to get everything updated, because right now the hallways are way too white. I think the roof too, eh? It's gonna be kind of hard to look inside all these. Sorry if I get you nauseous. This guy. This guy. Oh no, that's just up here, there. Okay. Yep, all those need to be moved up. I don't know if somebody asked this, but how are you going to make the servers alive? You probably need to buy server PCs or use your local PC, which costs some money. So that's what you use virtual machines for, or basically dedicated servers that run the servers. They do cost money, but there's ways to make like a cluster of servers, and then they smartly boot up and shut down depending on the player load. So it'll be something like that. Or I might just, early on at least, make it like Minecraft, where you can just download the server and host it yourself. Or I might, see if I can run servers on a local machine somehow. We'll see. But yes, it does cost money. Multiplayer games cost money to run, to host. So that's why I need some sort of income if I'm gonna make this game playable in the future. All the time. But for now, my virtual machine, it works. I've been experimenting with it. I've turned down the power because I don't need as much power, so it's costing me less now, which is good. Okay. Ads are really good for supporting free server multiplayer. Just make it sure that you don't intrude gameplay too much. Ads? I've never really seen ads on a PC game though. Those are usually only for mobile. I don't think I really want that. I can't select those. Map maker and mod support? Maybe. Mod support's pretty hard in a multiplayer game. Map maker, maybe. I know Rugs was working on a map maker. Yeah. So maybe. Maybe I'll make a map maker too someday, but that's down the road. What's the shortcut to go in first person in Blender? I know there's a first person mode. Blender nerds. Is it Shift S or Shift F, I mean? Actually, I could do the roof. What am I doing? I can do the floors and roofs from the outside. What am I doing? Oh boy, I cannot keep up with the chat. Make us support the dev cosmetic. You pay monthly or something. That's a good idea. Use an armor system. Why not use Pro Builder? I've tried Pro Builder. I actually used Pro Builder for the lobby, and I don't know. It's missing like tools to like cut things and like move individual vertices and delete individual vertices and edges, and I just don't like it as much as Blender. I just find Blender I'm good at, so I'm going to use it. There's nothing wrong with people that use Pro Builder. If they can use Pro Builder, that's awesome. I don't know, I just use Blender. It's what I'm good at. I know like Rug uses Pro Builder and he loves it, so that's good. I just never really figured out how to use it good. I'm gonna go now by... I was thinking more web. Yeah, I don't think this will be playing on web. It's a little bit more resource intensive. Use skins to make profit. Yeah, maybe. You're baking your lights, Tom, like I suggested? Yeah, I want to see that. Personally, you like downloading a server and being able to play? Yeah. I'm not sure if that's good for this game because it's more of a first-person shooter, at least right now. Maybe if I add survival game mode in the future, it'd be good if you can download your own server. We'll see, though. Back. There's another base right here. Okay, I think I have the floors and roofs all good. No ads on PC games. Yeah, ads are for Android games. See a local PC nerd. Only 17 watchers? Yeah. People tend to come for a little bit and then leave. That's fine. Not everybody can just sit and watch a stream. I usually only watch streams like while I'm doing game dev in the background. At least game dev type streams. So, yeah. 17 people is pretty good. You can do all that in Builder. It takes you to learn. I couldn't delete individual vertices, and I googled it, and the answer I got was you can't delete individual vertices. So I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something, but I couldn't figure it out. Face mode. Why isn't I not? There we go. All these ribbit things. Grab all of them, and we're gonna put them in a little bit less white one here. What if those ads were embedded into the player world? Like on like a sign or something in the map? That'd be kind of cool. I remember doing that on my CSGO map. I got a sponsorship for my CSGO surf map, and I actually put the ads on the wall in the map. I was pretty happy about that because I was like, I don't know, 15 and got like a decent sponsorship. It was only for a month, but I made like 150 bucks or something. Pretty cool. Yeah, the ads were like in the map, on the walls, on the surf walls. Your project, you're removing things from your project because it has issues. It was fine 4 days ago. Oh, that sucks. At least you're using repo, so you're using source control at least. Sponsored events, maybe. Okay, all these things are kind of a pain. I gotta select them all. What did I give what material did I give bridge? Them up here. This one, okay. And make sure I give them the same material down here. That doesn't make sense. Oh, what am I doing here? There we go. So let's painfully select all these railings. Let's get all these bad boys. This is going to kind of be a tedious stream, but it's good to be able to talk to chat, and I think I'm doing a good job of multitasking. Not very good at that usually. I gotta select all these. Oop. Oh my. Move over there more. All these. Go, move them all up here. Yeah, in-world ads are pretty cool because A, they give you a real-world company to put on billboards, benches, etc. B, money. C, really easy to make. Yeah, if I were to do that, I would have to like... I wonder if Unity ads has support for... Because you'd have to make it so you can just change the ad like from the back end rather than in the actual game. Because, you know, if the ad runs out, you don't want people having the ad in their game after the ad, you know, time has ended. So you'd have to like yeah, somehow send the ad from the back end, which is definitely possible. You can just use a database really that sends images or whatever. Or I'm pretty sure Unity ads might have something like that built in. Because I remember doing something like that in one of my Android games. Grab all these up here. Somebody disliked? Dang it. That's okay. How many likes do we have? Let's see here. Our like ratio is actually pretty good. 32 likes. Thank you, everybody. That's cool. Haters. Yeah, somebody disliked. Never knew you can UV unwrap whole maps. Well, the map is just a model, right? There are just a bunch of meshes. You can UV unwrap any mesh in Blender, right? So that's, yeah. UV unwrap, you just select what you want to unwrap, UV, you know, these are all your UV and unwrap options. Boom, boom. 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 Make this window a little bit smaller. There we go. Is your light bake finished, Tom? Should have by now. If you're using GPU, you might be using CPU. They probably loved it so much they were tearing up when they tried to hit the like button they missed and clicked the dislike. The second dislike was a misclick. You're sorry. The ratio should be undefined because there should be no dislikes. Likes to 0, undefined. Likes divided by 0, undefined. Yes, that's how it should be. Not a real number. Let's do the stair here. Boom, 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 boom. G. I'm not really sure if I like these like control panels here. But well, let's give them some texture and see. This should be like a gray. Actually, you know what? There we go. Here's an example. This hasn't been UV after it. So I want UV, smart UV project. Okay. Just nicely puts them out here, and then I scale it down, put it in one of these squares. You see that it doesn't actually have the texture yet. I gotta now take it, add a material. Actually, we need to make a new material for these, I think. So new control panel. What is this called? Engine control. No, let's go engine control. Okay, so and then we can delete the old one. And then here we go. So they got no texture on it. So what I do is I go in Unity and I use a asset called click to color. And where do I go here? I go textures, ship map, props. Let's duplicate. Let's duplicate one of these bad boys. Do I need more than 4 colors for the control panel, do you think? Let's start with 4 colors. Duplicate this bad boy. And what was it called? Come on. Engine control. And then I go tools, click to color, and I actually worked with the guy who made this, and look at this. Unity doesn't crash as when I move the color wheel around anymore. Thank you. We just modified some code to get it to stop crashing. When do you plan on doing the next playtest? Sometime this month. Yeah, just like Play said. Hopefully. Either sometime this month or early next month. Yeah. It'll have client-side prediction in it, so we'll be able to test that. But then I think the hit detection is going to be worse because client-side prediction is going to make the hit detection worse, and I don't have a collider rollback yet, so that's for the next update. So this playtest might be pretty bad hit detection-wise, but yeah. That's what happens when you're in the middle of developing a game and you're testing it, though. How do you become a moderator? You gotta be pretty active. The 2 moderators that I have been in my Discord server for a while, and you know I've known them for a while in my Discord server, so that's why. But you really don't ask for a moderator. You'll get it if you're active enough, and it'll take a while. I don't really need any more moderators right now either. Okay, so to start with these kind of colors, let's start with a gray here from not herb. I just want ship. Let's grab this gray here. And what other colors do you think we need? Really just grays. I think I need like a lighter gray. Maybe like that kind of gray. For these screens, maybe like a blue. And these gauges here. I might need more than 4 colors actually. Let's give like a really light grayish white. Let's give like a kind of a blue maybe. A bluish white. I think I want like a red maybe for this. A red would be good for these wheels. So you know what? I think we might need more colors. In that instance, let's create a new texture. 256. Let's do 3. Oh no, it can only be a patty. So it sucks. I have to go up to 4. And let's go to props. Just delete this one here. Delete. And put this in here. Set save location. Game client assets. Textures. Ship map. Select folder. Let's just put it right in the ship map. Lots of texturing. Yep. What did I miss? Not much. Clicking and texturing. How's your lighting baking going? Is it done? Plays cooler than Tom. Plays cooler than Tom. I did not say that. I decided to name the new game. Delete the game and make a new game called Named Pirate Game. What? You can't get mod at Tom's server. No, it's not very polite to ask for mod either. You know, if they need a moderator, they'll reach out to you. Why did that not make? Oh, it did. Ship. Engine control. I also wish that it made black and white by default instead of random colors. You know what I should do to fix that is I should just make a checkerboard one like this that I save and then just load every time and rename it. Because this is tedious. Black, 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 white. Well, it's much better now that I can drag. Okay. So we need the gray here. And okay, and we need probably another lighter gray like that. We wanted like a red, I think. For the steering wheel, for the like wheel to turn thing. I don't know what you call it. Usually to open like a pipe or something. Let's get like that blue back for the screen. Let's get like a very white gray maybe for, let's make this a little bit darker. Maybe like a yellow here. Caution yellow. I don't know if we'll use it, but okay. Okay, that's good. Now let's open it in Blender here. We go this, open, engine control, open. Then we go here, we go to the shader editor, we go add image. This just so I can preview it, and then I find engine control, and then I go back to the UV editor here, go into edit mode, and I can see if I drag stuff around, it's gonna change the color. Boom. Okay. Look at Tom's sub count. I already did. It's done, but it looks nothing like what it should. Did you post an image? Good morning, Jadelyn. Did you post an image in your server? I'm interested right now. Whoa, what the heck? Okay, wait. What are these? And why don't my rings? Oh, yeah, you have to put them static, Tom. Did you put everything static that doesn't move? Because baked lighting only applies to things that are static. Or it's one of the static things, like include baked lighting or something. Everything that seems static, really? That's weird. Baked lighting broken. Something's up there. It must be something to do with the materials. Why can I see through the ground? Okay, wait, is the sky, you guys can't see what I'm seeing right now, but I think the skybox is like reflecting onto the map somehow. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Okay, what were we doing here? Okay, wait, I do want it in here, but I think it's too tools, click to color. It's too dark. Lighter gray. How do I update it? Engine control. Update. Wait, I have to close this for it to update. Yeah, and then I go. Should be able to just go engine control open. There we go. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I should be able to go like this. I don't even know what this is. This is like a big something. Has the same materials as other part of the ground, which is getting the baked legs, so I have no idea. But focus on your stream, yeah. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know what's up with the lighting. Let's go here. Let's move this. That's too dark. I think I'm gonna put it here and make this a lighter gray, maybe? Let's just put it there for now. This guy. Okay, wait, let's put the middle part like that. It looks cool. Maybe? I don't know. G here. Make this one yellow, maybe? Or red as well. I don't know. I don't know. I can always change the colors later. These are all like gauges. So like a white. I do feel like these all need to be a slightly different gray. Oops. I do need a slightly darker gray, actually. Wait. Boom, boom, boom. So let's get a slightly darker gray and put it right here. Slightly darker. Close that. Grab it again. There we go. Slightly darker gray. Okay, now over here. Grab these bad boys. These are like the screens. Let's give them that blue, this blue color thing. Okay. What's the shortcut for switching render view? What do you mean? Like this thing? Oh, you mean between edit and object mode? Tab. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's what you mean. Have you sent an image anywhere? It's on his Discord server in his... Oh shoot, it's in his private channel. I technically just showed a private channel. Oops. I might not. I probably shouldn't have done that. Yes, no materials and rendered. These ones up here. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's a shortcut. Yeah, lol. Oops. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't think I would throw that through before I showed it. Banned. I just get banned. Zippy's spilling the beans. Oops. I don't know what I was doing when I made this. Like, what even is this? I think this is like a... I don't know what this is, but... like, what is that? Whatever. It's like some thing to control something in the engine room. This to this, and then select the middle ones. Give them the whitish color, because these are all supposed to be like gauges, I think. I wonder if I give these a different color, if it'll look any better. It'll look cool. Do that, and this. Give them a little bit darker. give this that darker gray as well. Oh, I missed some stuff on here. Let's just give this whole thing up here, either here. There we go. Oh, wait. All needs to go down there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, this pipe needs which color of gray? This color of gray, I think. Ooh, all the pipes need it. Boom, boom. Oh, and I missed that staircase. Ooh, missing everything. These pipes need it. We have the engines to do too in a minute. So let's start with the staircase here. Oh, and all these pillars. Ah. Boom, 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 boom. Oh shoot! I'm looking at the wrong texture here. Just confused for a second. Ship. There we go. So these ones actually need this color down here. Okay, and now let's get all these pillars. Oh boy, there's a lot. Oh, it's gonna take a little while. You can hold down Z and drag your mouse. Oh. Oh, did I accidentally do that and you saw that? Oh. Oh. Okay, there we go. I think I remembered I did that, right? And I just misclicked and I just didn't even acknowledge that I did it. Let's hit 50 likes, guys. Yeah, like the stream. What are we at? 32 likes. Oh, no, 46 likes. Yeah, like the stream. Right down here, right below here. And I mean, you're probably subscribed, but also click that button. Yeah. 1 like a minute averaging? That is pretty good. Try and keep the chat to English there. I'm not sure what language that is. And nowadays you can put so much skill and get nothing but no effort. Big bucks. Not 100% sure what you mean, but yeah. There's some pretty skillful people on YouTube, but they don't get near as many views as they should, which kind of sucks. All the pillars. I think there's one over here somewhere, isn't it? Yep, right here. All the pillars. That's a pillar. Those pillars are all gotten. And pillars over here, which I still need to do. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Go. Did I miss any? Don't think so. Don't think I missed any. I think it looks good. Now, I do think some of this stuff's a little wonky, like this. How the heck are the stairs staying up? Why are these sticking out? I'm gonna come and, you know, polish that up eventually. But for now, it's good. It's good. This room's looking pretty good. Oh wait, we have the engines to do. Do those next. This is looking pretty good. Let's see how it looks in Unity for a minute. I don't think it'll look too good because the lighting, I can't bake the lighting. But let's grab everything and bring it into Unity here. File, export FBX. Yep, ship haul, export. Look at it in Unity. You uploaded an ambient space music beat on YouTube. If you want, you can play it without any copyright issues. If you're interested, I will send the title or the link. You can put it in my Discord server. I'll take a look at it. 50 likes. Yeah, we're on 50 likes. Heck yeah. Awesome. It's pretty good. 51 likes. Yeah, we're more than 1 like a minute. That's nice. See, that means that we're getting more than one person coming along a minute. That's pretty good. Stop talking alien language. Yeah, I don't know what's up, Melner. But please stop talking gibberish there. And keep the chat English like Play said. Okay. What was I doing here? I need to go look at the ship map. Here we go. Okay, this one we were already looking at. Let's go look at... Oh, you can see the hallways here. The big lighting looks pretty good, even though I've only changed the colors. That makes sense, though, because it's when I change the model that the UVs get all messed up. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Oh, wait, these are not set up yet. Yeah, they're using not the right type of material here. Let's go... You see they're a little bit blue and shiny. They're not quite set up yet. I have to go materials, ship map. Let's duplicate the ship here. Let's go engine control. And then I should go engine control. And these ones here, I should be able to now go to the models. Models. Ship map. Ship hull. Engine control, and then I can go and drag that in there. Click apply. Should update, I think. Yeah, there we go. Now they match the lighting. There we go. That actually doesn't look too bad. That actually looks pretty good. Those look like when you see those, do those look like screens? I think so. First time seeing the textured interior. It looks nice. Yeah, we still have the engines, the texture. Make this bigger. We still have the engines, the texture. I think these barrels look too dark. I might need to lighten up the textures, the color on the barrels. Okay, so let's do the engines next. Yeah, always are looking good. All these rivet things need to be a slightly gray or white, I think, to make it contrast a little bit better. We also need to put some boxes or something in these hallways, because this hallway is like this is just, if you're running in this hallway, you're dead. No cover. We got this texture. We got this to texture. We'll see how far we get today in the stream. The inside of the ship looks trippy. Actually looks pretty cool. Like, look at it from below. Looks cool. Doesn't it? Okay, I need to stop. I'm just getting distracted by just looking at what I've done. Ship hull, ship bridge, iPad, turn all this off. Engine, okay. Okay, let's get these engines texture now, which let's once again make another color palette for these. Now, I think I only need 4 colors for these engines. A bunch of grays, I think, will do it. Maybe the pipes should be red, though. Oops. Maybe they'll be, but they might be too. Let's look at a reference image here. Look at a reference image. Ship engine room. I never use Blender, but it's pretty fun to watch. Keep the great work. Thanks. Polish. This is my last time. I'll stop. Polish. Yeah, it's got like weird letters. Looks kind of cool. But yeah, please keep it English. These ones are like painted green. It's weird. Huh, all the railings in here are yellow. But in here they're gray, so I guess my style still works. Again, these have like blue on the engines. That might be kind of cool. This one's mostly just, this looks like a pretty old engine. This one's got blue on the engine. Maybe we go for a blue and and 3 grays, a dark gray and then 2 lighter grays. Is what I'm thinking. Let's see how it looks. We can always change the colors later, right? Let's start with, let's see how it looks. So let's go in Unity. Out of here. Let's go into here. Duplicate this. Oh wait, no, it's not what I need to do yet. Texture, not the material. Close this stuff. Ship, engine control. Oh wait, no, don't duplicate it. Let's just make a new one. Tools, click to color, create new texture. 256 is the size I've been using, and let's go engine. They just called engines. Engine left, engine right. Okay. Select save location. Select folder. Use grayscale. What does this look like? Great. Oh, there we go. That's better. It picks out some grays for me. So let's go for a, I don't know, like a dirty blue kind of. Dirty blue. Looks like a dirty blue, right? Let's grab some sort of gray, lighter kind of gray, like a pretty dark gray. Start with this. I think those are 4 good colors. You're gonna head out. See ya. Let's see here. Okay. Let's save that. Now let's get that into Blender here. New material, new engine. Let's open it here. Engine, open. View, or no, not view. Change to the shader editor, add image, texture, here we go. And let's find that image we just brought in, engine. Here we go, back to UV editor. It's UV, smart UV project. Scale it down. And let's get rid of this texture here. Here we go, same with this one. Actually, let's do these we need to do these together here. Engine. UV, smart UV project. Okay. Yeah, in fact, there's 2 here. These can all go like dark gray. All these. Right, so, sorry. This main chassis part, I think we want as the middle gray. And we're gonna want this stuff all as the lighter gray, which it already is. And maybe these as the darker gray. Oops. This. And then these here, let's see what these look like if they're that blue color. Not sure if it's gonna look weird or cool or what. Keep in mind, the lighting always looks different in Unity, so we're going to bring in Unity and see how it looks. This big thing here. Maybe make that black. Or not black, but dark gray. We got these pipes here. keep them this lighter gray color. Grab all these, bring them in here. Same with this side here. This all the way. And here. Yeah, let's see if this blue looks cool, if it looks weird. Is everything? Let's fix the texture here. Models, ship map, ship. We need to get ship map. Duplicate this, just call it engine. Engine, there we go. And then go back to the model here. And drag in engine, click apply. Now that didn't work too well. What did it do here? It really freaked out about that. That's weird. Because it wasn't UV projected? Ship map. Engine. It must be because it wasn't UV projected or something. So we can't really see what it looks like without baking, dang it. I don't think. Check here. Engine and engine, so it should be good. Weird. So they're gonna look messed up unless I bake the lighting, I think, so. Can't really check to see how they look. I'll have to look later and tweak it if I don't like it. But these look pretty good, I think. I think this room's pretty good. These stairs need done. Stairs here. Get rid of the hull. Not the hull. Yeah, hull, bridge, helipad. Get out of here. Get all these stairs. Why is this last stair so far over? Boom, boom. Grab all these. Oh, what the heck. That stair doesn't have an end. Interesting. Move these to... Gotta change this to the ship texture here. So down here. Okay. Glitch. Now all these bad boys here need change to slightly grayer white. Here, 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 here. Let's just go like this and unselect the other one later. Boom, boom. That should be like this. Yeah, there we go. Now these need to be in here. Slightly grayer. And do the same thing over here. And these ones too. get rid of this and move these over. There you go, all the hallway rivets should be now not pure white. Let's grab these as well. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. What's this room? Is this the kitchen? Yeah, let's start with the bunks. Let's give the bunks some textures. Here's Itchy. I get all the pipes. Whoa, okay, I just probably made you guys dizzy. Those pipes are good. There's no pipes in here. Those pipes are good. Any pipes in here that need done? Oh, those pipes are good. Okay. Okay. Hello, Kevin. How's it going? Where's the... I know there's a alt F. Trying to figure out the shortcut to go in first person mode. I can't remember what it is. Okay, so the bunk room here, there should be in props. Shit bunk. Where is it here? Shit bunk. There it is. Let's make a texture for this. Now we should make a few variants here for this one with different colored bed things. So this is where the texture palette thing comes in handy. So we're gonna need a white for the pillow. Just thinking here, a white for the pillow, a color for the bedding. Or should we make them all the same bedding color? The ship, wouldn't they have the same bedding color? Maybe. You know what, they'll all have the same bedding, I think, actually. But if I wanted to change the color, if I need them in the future, I could. And then 2 grays, I think. Oh yeah. So let's once again go and make a new texture here. Create new texture. 256. Ship. Bunk. The save location. Props. Select save location. Great. Where'd it go? Ship bunk. Okay, so this will be like the white for the pillow. And there'll be, I don't know, some blue for the sheets, I guess. And then a gray of some sort and another gray. I like my grays. What type of game do you want to make? I'm making an action shooter game that's going to have a bunch of game modes and team sizes. So not just first person shooter, but some other game modes. Control F, somebody said. Control F. Yeah, no, Control F doesn't work. I sub because of your devlogs. Nice. New devlog hopefully coming out this month or early next month, hopefully. Welcome to the channel. Okay, let's get this texture in here. Props. Ship bunk. Open. Oh, it's not updated yet. I gotta close this. Try that again. Ship bunk. Open. There we go. New material, ship, bunk, and set it up here, add image texture, open it. Oh no, don't open, it's already in the project. Ship bunk, there we go. Move this texture, UV editor. Smart UV project. Let's get it in this gray here. Boom, boom, boom. Darker gray for these guys. Pillow, pillow, pillow on the white. And the bedding on the other, on the blue. Boom! That might be too bright of a blue, but we can change that later. When you turn the stream up to hear it over the sound of your computer baking lights, are you using your CPU or your GPU, Tom? I knew about that. Search menu, I know. Search walk. Oh, it's shift tilde. Yeah. Shift tilde. There we go. I just want this to be able to look around because it's a lot easier. Can I actually, when I get out of this, does it? Nah. I wish I could actually edit in that view as well instead of always this pan view. Can you? I don't know. You tried GPU and it crashed Unity? Huh. Do you have a AMD GPU maybe? I'm not sure if AMD supports it, maybe. Not sure. But mine cuts the bake time like by 5 times faster or something. My NVIDIA GPU, and it's pretty old too, so that's good. Newer ones probably be really quick. But for some reason, even though I'm using CPU, oh wait, no, I'm using my GPU to stream. I'm using my GPU to stream, so I can't bake the lighting on stream, or else it freaks out because I'm using my GPU to stream. Shit bunk. Go to Unity now. Shit bunks might be messed up completely. They aren't yet for some reason. Let's see here. Models, ship map, ship bunks. Let's make a new material. Ship bunk, and ship bunk. Okay, there we go. Now let's go into models here, ship bunk. Get this bad boy in there, apply. Of course it doesn't update them all, that's annoying. Let's do it all manually, I guess. Ho, that actually just made this room look alive. Looks like a army room, like an army bunk place. Let's mess with this blue a little bit. I think it's a little bit too vibrant. Let's make it a little bit more saturated maybe. Tools, click color, put it in here. Come on, why is it not letting me put, oh, that's the material. Textures, props, ship bunk. Get this guy a little bit. Oh yeah, so you can do this live, which is really cool. Darker? No. More saturated maybe? Darker, lighter. That was actually pretty decent, I think. Something like that maybe? I don't think I really changed it much. Okay, let's do these lockers next. This here needs done. And this here, I missed those 4 things. Also, I want to make like doors that I'll like just put like a door somewhere like here, and obviously you won't be able to go there, but it'll make the map feel more like a real ship, right? Like if I just put a door here, then you know maybe there is something behind that door, but you can't go there. It'll make the map feel a lot more real, right? I've also contemplated while we're talking about that, this staircase here, I might move here. And you'll be able to access it through here. Yeah, I might move a staircase to here. Because this, to try and balance it, because the staircase is behind on this side for the flag. I might make this staircase, here, possibly, I was thinking about maybe attaching it to come here if we have another room here or something. Anyways, because I noticed that like this flag is more secure because the staircase is in front of it and you could cut people off trying to take the flag. But also if they come this way, then they're in the clear more. Anyways. enough about that ramble. Let's do the lockers next. The lockers. Yep, let's do the lockers. Let's do another one here. Lockers. Locker. Okay. What is it called in Blender? It's called the locker. Okay. Tools, correct color. It's gonna be a bunch of grays, I think, really. That's about it. White, black. I think it's just gonna be 2 colors of gray, really. Right? Maybe a different gray. Darker gray for the body and a lighter gray for the handle here. And that's literally it. Yeah, let's do that. It's not an AMD GPU. Okay, you have an NVIDIA GPU? That's weird. Weird. See you play. Hey, Master X. That's weird. Lighting. GPU preview. It is in preview, so that maybe it just your GPU doesn't like it. But if I click this button, it's gonna lag my stream, so which sucks. Yeah. Okay. Locker. Let's get the locker in Blender here. I do wish this part could be more seamless, like getting the texture into Blender. Locker. But it's good enough. It doesn't even have a texture right now. Locker. Shader editor. Add image. Locker. Locker. Let's go to the shader. Oh no. UV editor. UV Smart UV reject. And literally just move the handle up to the other color. And I think that's our locker. It's like maybe I'll do this, the lighter gray, the lighter white as well to just make it pop a little bit. Kind of a trick. If you want something to stand out a little bit more, you can change the color just slightly. It's kind of like fake shadows. So it'll make the vents hopefully like a little bit more vibrant. Let's see how that looks. Really simple. File export. BX. Locker export. And let's go to Unity here. Okay, models. Models, ship map, locker. Wait, I need to make the material first. Props. Duplicate this one, call it the locker. Locker. And props down. Oh wait, no, what am I doing? Here. Locker. There we go. Where's the model here now? Ship map, locker. Get that in there, apply it. I do this. Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. I'm gonna have to select everything individually. Why does it just not update them? It has something to do with the prefab system of importing a model. They aren't linked to the original for some reason anymore. Locker. Hello, locker. There we go. There you all the lockers are now textured. And we have the little Easter egg, don't tell anybody. Baby Herb is in there. Looking charming, as always. There we go. Now I did contemplate putting showers here. I might still do that off camera. Maybe. We'll see. Got the kitchen or the cafeteria here to do. We can do that quickly, probably. What the heck's going on here? Some artifacting. Okay, we gotta do these things. Let's go do that. Make like if there is stuff inside. Not sure what you mean, pork chop. There's lots of stuff in. Oh, there's stuff inside the lockers, you mean? There's a herb inside one of the lockers. I won't get the reference. It's a little Easter egg to herb, the forklift. Ship. There's a lot of textures now. I'm losing track of them. Okay, those two are fixed. We're good there. Yep. Yep. Papers. I don't think this one. Yeah, this one's the wrong color. White. Let's fix that. Is this one the right color? White. It is. Nice. Let's export this to Unity because I don't think I updated this. I'll export FBX. Not the locker, that was close. Ship hall. This should fix the floor. Yep. Oh, what's going on here? Why that wall change? I think that is just because now the lighting needs rebaked. Yeah. We're getting artifacting now because the lighting needs rebaked. So that kind of sucks because I didn't accidentally. I slightly changed the UV of the model. So we're gonna get some artifacting, but the stairs are good here now. Yep. Oh wait, no. These stairs aren't. Wait, maybe I didn't make those stairs that color. Yeah, I just didn't make those stairs that color. I kind of like them more though, maybe. Let's see here. What color are these stairs? No. They're that color. What color are these stairs? That color, okay. And then these ones are not, so it's just... Yeah, okay, wait. Let's change these ones. To this color. What color are these? That color. What color are pillars in here? They are... Oh, what? They're this color. Wait, what color are the pillars up here? Yeah, okay, they're the same color. Wait. Yeah, they're the same color. Okay. So it's the engine room, the bunk room, that leaves the cafeteria room, which I never really completely finished, I don't think. Well, what am I doing here? Sorry, I'm making you dizzy. That's the bunk room. This is the cafeteria room here. Can I please see it? View. Align view to change our view to cursor. Here we go. Okay. So there's these like kitchen counter thingies that I kind of started on, which I guess we can give some color. I don't really know why I'm doing these because they're not even in sight, but this here. That, and there should be this as well, right there. Yep. Let's move these into, I don't know, this. Yeah. Same with this, all this stuff. These up here. Yep. Grab all these. Whoa, no, this one and this one here. Why do I have this? Move all this to a little bit less white gray. I should put something in one of the lockers. I did. I put a little baby herb. Are you only going to make the map, or are you actually going to program the game? No, this stream we're just going to be doing map design, game design. I have done a few coding streams, but we're not working on that today. That involves some more concentration, which I don't really feel like doing right now. The next thing that I need to work on is, programming-wise, is, well, let's see here. Bring up the Trello board here. The next thing, yeah, see, like the two main things I need to get done right now are the ship map and the lobby system / map. Mainly the map for the lobby. But the next thing I kind of need to do is I need to clean up Firebase. And after that is to work on shoot rollback, which is collider rollback. So those are really the things I need to do coding wise, and I usually just do coding on my own because it involves a lot of concentration, but I have done some coding on stream. Need to add some more to this list. I'm getting through the things here. Everything that's green is like considered done or in a working state. Have fun with that, says Tom. I'm not sure if I'm going to code it myself yet because I found some online resources. J-Code was sharing them with me of other people's solutions that I might just snag and implement in my game, but we'll see. We'll see. That is way too dark. We'll see. My client-side prediction isn't perfect yet either, so still got to work on that. It's a little jumpy sometimes. What the heck? Not sure if I like this gray. I'm just reusing the ship colors, which is probably not very good, but we'll see how it looks. The other thing that's in here is those seats. Where are they? They're in props. Table. There we go. It's these like cafeteria style tables, which should just be quick 2 or 3 colors. It's spring and my allergies are starting to bother me. I could feel it this morning. And I literally just stood outside on my deck, so I don't know how that started it, but props. Let's make one for the table. Table. Go. Tools, click to color. Grays, whites maybe. Darker gray. Go, there's a table of colors, sure. Under new one. Props. Table. Open. Get rid of this one. New table. Add image, texture. And table. UV, smart UV project, okay. Hello, I'm a big fan. Hey, 5-hour songs, welcome. Can you render all out and show around the map? Yeah, we'll look at it. We'll walk around the map at the end. It's not gonna look perfect because I can't bake the lighting on stream because it'll wreck the stream performance. But we'll be able to render it and see, or well, not render it, but we'll be able to walk around and see how it looks. It just won't look perfect because, yeah, like I said, I can't render it fully. I can't bake the lighting, unfortunately. There we go. File, export, FBX, table, export. Back in Unity. Let's go over, zoom over to where the table is. Oh, also this area. Let's just do the whole ship here. File, export, FBX, ship all exports. There you go. See, like this right here is an example of artifacting because I haven't baked the lighting. But you can see the colors of the kitchen, more artifacting there. Now let's do the tables. So Rug just mentioned that the minimum specs for GPU light mapping is a 1060 6GB, which might be why it crashed Unity for me. What? I have a 970, like 4GB. Or 2GB even, might be. Mine's probably right at the limit. Because a 970, which is supposed to be probably about the same as a 1060, right? It's a 970. So that could be it. Yeah, exactly. It's a 900 series, so it's a year older. I don't know. Hi, your work is beautiful. I think your project is very nice. I wish you good luck on working. Thank you. Ashi? Sorry if I said it wrong. Is this the ship map? Sure is. When did I start using Blender? About 5 years ago. If you watch my video on 5 years of making games in Unity, you can kind of tell when I start using Blender when you start seeing actual low poly models instead of just cubes. But about 5 years ago, I think I started making scenes, and I have videos of those on my channel. I made like low poly scenes. Hello, Amy. Dr. Longbottom says cool. Hello, Maxi Boy. Okay, let's do the color of this. Props. Table. Table. And table. Now, I should be able to go to models, ship map, table. Table. Why? I'm gonna update because not linked, but I should be able to do this. And then drag in the table and boom. Ah, very white. But ship interiors are white, right? I gotta think of what else I could add to this room. Maybe like a vending machine? Maybe? Vending machine might be cool. Yeah. I need to get rid of these behind the stairs as well. Okay, so I think that's everything colored, I think, right? Everything that we've done so far. I think. We just look around here. This room's good. I really wish these weren't artifact so we could see what they look like, but all those are done. So, I think we should add some more props to these hallways. Looking good. Let's zoom over here. Let's make a box, like just a box. There's one box. So I can place some boxes around in the hallways and other places as props to use as cover because, oh, the floor here needs done. I think I want to stack some boxes in the hallways and stuff to use as cover. Maybe we can like put some boxes in the kitchen. Yeah, let's do that. Let's fix that floor that I just found. Where was that? I was in one of the stairs, right? Where the ship hall, bridge, helipad. Where was that? Right here. Ship. Fix this. This is looking really good. Yeah, I know. And once it's baked, I'll put some images on Discord. You can see how it looks all baked. It'll look really good. This map, like, is so creative. I mean, there's other ship maps, but yeah, I guess. How long have you been working on this project? Just over a year now. I started in May or April last year. We've made lots of progress. I haven't been working on it really full time. I work on it in like evenings, after school, or in this case after work, and on weekends. And I really just work on it for fun. If I don't feel like working on it, then I don't work on it, type of thing. Which is good. It's a good mindset to have. Oh, I've completely missed over here too. Get all these. You know what? I think I missed all the rafters over here. Get all these and move them up here. I think I missed all these too from over here. Get these in this color. Oop, not green, this color. And I missed this somehow. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so you know how like this staircase goes like this over here? I might do the same thing over here. To get down from up here on the ship. And then reroute this staircase to go... Reroute this staircase to maybe go here somehow. Not sure. We'll see. This inside remind me of SCP, like another map in. I know there's a ship map in Call of Duty. Have I ever published a game? It depends what published means. Like published on like for money, like onto a store that you buy games for money. No, but I've published games. Well, I guess the Google Play Store is a store where you could make money, but I published Android games. Not very good. I made them when I was like 16, 15. And maybe add vents. Vents. Playing Among Us here? No. But yeah, vents. That's a good idea. Sorry. Published. I also have some games on itch from Game Jams. And... yeah, but like they're not really published to make money. They're just published for people to check out. I've always changed projects and lost interest a lot. Like, who knows? Maybe I'll lose interest on this game. Who knows? It's pretty big and I've worked on it a lot, so I don't know if I'm going to lose interest. Maybe within future playtests, if it turns out it's not very fun, I might just stop working on it because I realize it's a waste of time, but I'm enjoying working on it still right now. I lost my train of thought again. What were we doing? Boxes. Yes, boxes. Let's bring up the palette and grab one of the boxes from this. Where is it? There it is. View. Line view to the cursor. There we go. Yeah, let's grab which one of these boxes looks the best. Let's grab this box here. 50 selection box. Box out here. Get this guy down to the cursor here. Line it up. That looks good. A little bit more to the right. A little bit more. For the other view here. Line it up over here too. To the right. That's pretty good. Now we got ourselves a box. Cool. And let's make a new. It really only needs one color though. Cargo palette. Let's just throw the cargo palette material on it. When are you gonna do playtesting? Join the Discord server, grab the playtester role. You'll be notified usually a week before the playtest. It'll be sometime this month or early next month, probably. After the next devlog, hopefully. Sorry I joined late, but what's this game supposed to be? Well, if you haven't seen my devlogs on my channel, then it is it's going to be an arcade shooter game with multiple game modes and multiple team sizes. Right now, there's it's just basically an FPS game modes. It's got death match, it's got team death match, and then it's got capture the flag. But yeah, this is one of the maps that I'm working on here. The ship map. I'm just doing level design today, but we're doing modeling and level design and texturing. If it's not fun, focus on how to make it fun or over anything else. I'm sure you have enough people who can help you with suggestions to make it fun to play. Yeah, I'm not gonna give up on it unless if it's really not gonna work out, or if I just lose interest. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to add some game modes that are unique. And then the fact that there is a bunch of unique game modes in one game will hopefully keep people playing it, possibly. Because usually you jump between a few different games depending on how the game plays. Whereas my game, I kind of want to make a bunch of game modes in the same game. Add some invisible barriers so the player can't fall. What do you mean? Okay, wait, I already read that. Is there fall damage? Not yet, but there will be. Probably should be fall damage for this map because you can jump off those containers. It's a pretty easy thing to add. Make the imposter. We're not playing Among Us. Among Us game mode though. Who knows? Among Us 3D in my game. Copy Danny. Okay, what am I doing? Let's get this box out of here. File, export. FBX. Oh wait, I gotta get the... I don't know. What is it to move the cursor? Shift S. There it is. Cursor to selected. File, export. Box. Yeah, box. Shouldn't have anything on it actually. File, export, FBX, box. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to models, ship map, box, props, cargo palette, apply. Should be able to just go Models, ship map. Whoa, that's weird. It's that color. Should we just go like this? Maybe not. Why is the material not on it? Oh, it's not static. Everything. Yeah, it's not gonna have lighting on it, dang it. Cargo containers. Whoa, apply all. The ship map down here. That box bigger than it? Oh yeah, it is. Totally is. What is the size here? 1, 1. What? Doesn't the size of that box look way too big? Wait a minute. Oh, it is. Wait, is it the same size? Yeah, it is the same size. Okay, I'm just seeing things. But let's pretend that this guy just stacks some boxes here. Let's just put the box here. He just left some boxes here for some reason. Make a new empty boxes. One sec, gotta reset this. Boxes. Are you gonna publish this game or is it a little project? I wouldn't call it a little project, it's pretty big, it's a multiplayer project. And if I ever finish it, then yeah, it'll be published somewhere. You have a budget for the game? Well, the budget for it right now has been like... Oh wait, no, I guess with multiplayer hosting, it costs a little bit more money, but like I've only costed me like $6 for one asset that I bought. But for a budget, no, not really. I mean, I'm just not really spending any money on it. There's so many free things nowadays to make a game. It's pretty cool that you're able to do it with pretty much no budget. Other than time. Time, I guess, can be considered as the budget, and I've spent a lot of time on it. The characters of your game look like the Easter Island heads. The what are those? The mocha heads? I totally said that wrong. I don't know how to say it. I'm not going to say it again. But yeah, I know what you mean. I think the characters look pretty unique. I might tweak them in the future, but gonna kind of keep the same style. But I do like how they look. The characters. So they look unique compared to other games, right? So I think that's good. Okay. Gotta really be stacking the boxes here. Okay, he left some boxes out here for some reason. Add a little bit of cover. Can I see the map? Can I see what you're building? Boom. There you go. The ship. The ship map. There we go. What's the rough estimate for when the game will be released? I don't know. Rough estimate in the future. That's a pretty rough estimate, right? In the future. It's technically version 0.1 and 0.2, 0.1, 0.1 and 0.2 have technically been released, but the servers are never on because they cost money. But you know, play tests happen periodically. But for the full game being released, I don't know. I have no clue. I just work on this game for fun. A delicious pastry. How long did it take you to code? What do you mean by that? Like learn coding or to code this game? I've been working on this game for a year. To learn coding? I mean, when do you actually call yourself learned? That say, when can you actually say that you've learned to code? I mean, I learned to code when I was like 12 or 13. Like I first started then with like, I think it was Python was like the first thing I coded with, or HTML and CSS, even those aren't really coding language. They're like styling languages more. But like I learned to code in high school because I took programming classes. Then I also just learned to code from YouTube, people like Brackeys and people that made tutorials on YouTube about game dev, C#. And then now I'm in university and taking more advanced coding courses. But still a lot of my coding is self-taught. Make a plane map / game mode where it has 2 or more crash planes and you start with a pistol and on the map you can find better guns in random places. That sounds like a battle royale game mode, but like you just crashed. That sounds cool. It's been a year already? Yeah, it sure has. About this time, a year ago, is when I made the first devlog for this game. It's when I discovered Tom's networking solution. I'm like, this looks cool. Let's give the multiplayer game another go. I'm not usually very active in chats and such, but I followed the devlogs since it came out. Cool. Another devlog hopefully sometime this month or early next month. That's a really good idea, says Longbottom. Okay, getting distracted. Let's place some more boxes. The box is here. Let's duplicate this. This is the killer long hallway right here. Like this one all the way up to the roof. Because this one, why not? Does this guy know how to stack his boxes straight? Let's make it so he stacked it pretty straight. Let's make it so make him look good. There you go, he stacked them pretty straight. A little bit off, because that looks more realistic, but this guy knew what he was doing when he was stacking his boxes. There we go. I don't know why he stacked them 3 high in the hallway, but, you know, he's like, you know, maybe there'll be a shootout here someday and we'll need some cover. Maybe a barrel. Put a barrel in the hallway to hide behind. As well, put a barrel here. You know, somebody was just rolling this barrel over here and they're just like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it here. Why not? And then, you know, in this shootout, you'll be able to use it as cover. You just crouch behind it and yeah. There we go. Yeah, this view. How's it looking here? Boxes. Update all those. Is there going to be another playtest before the next devlog? Sorry. It'll probably be after the next devlog, hopefully. Because it's a good thing to it's a good option to be able to advertise it in the devlog, right? Why is it so hard to find visual scripting tutorials for free? It's like the videos are really basic stuff I already knew. I don't know. Visual scripting is kind of a newer thing, and I don't know. I'm not too much of a fan of it. I'd rather just code. So I'm not sure why there's not tutorials for it that are free. It'll be because it's new, says Cody Dev. It says check out Code Monkey. Okay. So it's been 2 hours here. I think pretty much gonna call it for today. My voice is starting to go. But we got everything, I think, colored today, which is good. We got some more boxes placed here. Yeah. Let's actually just export the rest of this stuff here. Because this needs re-exported. And let's just walk around the map and show stuff off here. Ship hull. Export. Should fix the floor here. Yep. Coolidge. Okay, let's load into the game here and just walk around and see what we did today. Scenes, network manager. Let's play. We made good progress today. How many likes are on the stream? Hi, who's that? Gamer Funbox? What's up? We have 69 likes on the stream right now. Nobody removed their like. Nobody add one. Ah, 70 likes now. What the heck? Somebody just messed it up. Dang it. Yeah, you see 70, Tom? It was at 69. Oh, it's back at 69. Somebody fixed it. Hello, Ninja. This is your goal for the next 10 minutes of the stream until it's over. No, it's at 71 now. Okay, wait, so you're supposed to leave it at 69 right now, and then after the stream, spam it and get it as high as you can. The like button. Okay. Yep, so if you haven't seen the lobby map yet, this is the new lobby. Yippers, work in progress still. It's meant to look like kind of like a overgrown ruin or something, and I've got these like pillars way in the background, look kind of cool. Give a little bit of depth. I'm gonna add more vines around. Yeah, there's trees growing out of the middle here. You can select what game mode you want to play. This is like voting, right? This is the other thing we're gonna test during the playtest, and I hope it works. This will be really nice because I can just turn it on auto mode here, and it'll just go, and I can just leave the server. Let's go. We want to go ship map. Free for all. It'll put us in the ship. Oh, it's not putting us in the ship map. What? That's not the ship map. I think it's because I didn't update it after I started the auto start. Wait a minute. Auto start game. Yeah, that's why I didn't click it after. There we go. Now it's going to put us in the ship map. Because obviously it's just me, so I have the most votes. 72 now. We're still at 69. How long have you been doing it? We're working on this project for a year. Wow, your game is really good. Thank you. I mean, Unity development in general. 5 years, 6 years now. There's a YouTube video. It's actually my most viewed YouTube video on my channel. It's also the channel trailer. It shows all the games I played, or all the games I made using Unity. What just happened there? I like respawned. That was weird. I don't know what that was about. Anyways, I'm wondering who even disliked this. Somebody disliked it. Okay. Let's see here. We're going to look at what we did today. Yeah. Give me a knife, so I can show off the knife at the same time here. Just satisfying to swing this knife. We're definitely gonna have a knife only game next playtest, where I only give people knives. Okay, we're going down here. The lighting is gonna be messed up, but these look good. The decals are kind of working. But yeah, not perfect. Coolidge. We're going through here. I'm gonna be able to go right through this barrel because I didn't update the server. Because there's client-side prediction, it freaks out because client-side there's a collider there and it's like, what the heck? These boxes too. I'm gonna phase through them. They don't exist, apparently. Oh, these boxes literally don't have colliders at all. Okay, yeah, I'll have to fix that. Interesting. The decal doesn't work on this stuff. Interesting. That's okay. There's Herb. Oh, look at Herb. He's looking fine over here. I just put a scratch on him though. Back to 69. We're at 68 right now. What if you had a gun game mode, like the game mode where it gives you like a random gun, or yeah, it gives you a random gun. Oops, the game ended. Maybe. All possibilities. Slash map. Ship. I also want to make it a little bit more customizable. So obviously you can customize what weapons you start with, right? I can maybe add some more like other things that the server admin can do. Okay, so here's a storage room. I did this off camera, but yeah, looking good. Let's go over here. Bunk room's looking good. Yeah. Lockers, there's baby Herb in there. Little Easter egg. Oh, what the heck? The respawned again. Okay, that's weird. And there's a game time now. Interesting. There's some weird stuff going on here. I have a feeling it has something to do with auto playing. Come on, I'm trying to show off the shit map. Stop it. Anyways. Where were we? I'm gonna go look at the kitchen. Gun game's your personal favorite? I know what you're talking about, but I can't really think about what exactly gun game is at the moment. Yeah, we looked at this room. What do we still want to look at? This room, right? Yeah, and here's the cafeteria, last room. Like over here, I guess you do have some cover. And then the locker room, which we were just in. And yeah. So I think I'm just gonna do the rest off camera pretty much for this map, and it's pretty much, I'm gonna call it pretty much done in the next devlog, I think, like for showing it off. And I'll be moving on to another map, which I think is gonna be a space themed map of some sort. Let's fly. Yeah, I'll definitely be doing more tweaks on this map though, because it might be a little bit unbalanced with the stair placement. What's the game system? Wait, what gaming systems is this going to be available for? It's going to be first just PC and Mac probably. Bugs on stream are the best. Yeah, they are. I don't really know what that was. I think it has something to do with the autoplay system. Because I switched maps manually and it got confused. Everyone starts with the same weapon, and when you get X amount of guns, you unlock the next weapon. Final is usually a knife, and whoever gets through it all wins. Oh. Okay, yeah, I think I know what you mean. I've definitely played something like that before in some game. But yeah, we had a... I think I read all the chats. We're still at 69 likes. Okay. Yeah, here's the ship map. Oh, I still gotta move that ammo. It's in the barrels. Yep. Okay, we got 14 people here. I'm gonna switch over to the me camera. There's the red chat. And I think that's it for today. We went for 2 hours. It's pretty good. Cody Dev, that's what I was talking about. I just don't know how to quite explain it well. The gun game. Okay, now you can spam the like button. I wonder how many people were holding off. But now you can spam the like button if you haven't. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. And yeah, feel free to join the Discord server. It's pinned in the top of the chat there somewhere. And grab the playtester role if you want to be a playtester, which we'll probably do some time this month or early next month. And yeah, look out for the next game dev. Probably gonna try and stream every other weekend or so, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you everybody for joining, and I will see y'all next weekend. Somebody asked why not Unreal Engine. I have nothing against Unreal Engine. I've just never actually I have used it. I used it for like 10 minutes and then I closed it. And I do want to try it someday. Anyways. Bye guys. Say your byes in the chat. Zippy is out. Thanks for joining the stream.